Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashley Charmaine. This video involves me how I do my box braids at home. So I started right after I got home from work, which is 8:30. So in this process, I like to section off my hair, as you can see. So yeah, I also will provide a list of products in the description box below. So stay tuned. After I have sectioned off my hair, I like to go and use rubber bands to use as parting to make it easier for me to braid. So as you can see here, I like to part and then put the rubber band on, and then after I finish my whole head, I like to take the rubber band off and then braid my hair with expressions so it'll be easier on me. As you can see here in this video, I'm trying to get the angles where you can see what I'm doing. So I hope you can see it. Enjoy. Currently, I'm giving you a glimpse where I do my parting using the rubber band method here. In this section of the video, I'm showing you what type of hair I'm using. Also,
I normally get 1B.
How I feather the ends of the hair once you cut it. After I feather the ends, this is what the hair looks like. As you can see here. Now I'm showing you how I put my two parts of my hair expressions, extensions, and I'm using gel to grip, as you can see. I'm giving you a glimpse how I braid with the expressions braiding hair. As you can see, it's no struggles, no tangles. So I'm able to speed through working on my first braid, as you can see here. Hello guys, I'm back. As you can see, I have finished my whole head. So this is what my box braids look like. So I'm going to show you how I dip my hair in my hot water so it can come straight at the ends. So stay tuned, keep watching. Hello guys, I am back. My braids are done. I done dipped them in hot water. So this is what the ends look like. I braided my hair waist length or to the booty. So as you can see, here's my hair, my braids.
So I started at 8:30 p.m. and I finished the next day at 7:42. So this is my hair. This is what it looks like. So I like to, when I finish dipping my hair in hot water, this is what I like to put in, as you can see. And then I like to spray my hair. What my hair looks like. I'm so happy it turned out real good. This is what I expected my hair would turn out. So
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Also, please interact with me down below in the comment section. That means the world to me. Also, please donate to keep the channel up and running. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.